Nice and lovely, guys. So basically, I'm in the kitchen, and as I say, I'm gonna give you something definitely what you guys need to do at home in your kitchen. All right, especially if you wake up early in the morning. You know what I mean? You can drink this before you go to your bed. Very good for cold flu, detoxing, cleansing, and also good for weight loss. All right. So get yourself lemon or lime. I like to use lime. I'm using my little knife. I like to use the lime because the lime, it doesn't have any seeds in it. So that's the best one to use. All right. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna be simple. Remove the skin from the lime. All right. You can use lemon. Don't forget, you can use lemon. Cut it off, and we're going to put it straight inside of the blender, just like this. All right. Now, what you want to do is you want to get a nice, lovely piece of a ginger. All right. Nice piece of a ginger, and simple. Remove the skin from the ginger. All right. That's exactly what you want to do. Let's put that one side. Simple. Cut into some small pieces and put it straight inside of your blender like this. Secondly, what you're gonna do is get 2 cloves of garlic. I'm just gonna simply just crush it and remove the dry bits on the outside. All right. So that's 1 clove of garlic. We're gonna put it straight inside of it. We're gonna get another clove of the garlic. Just gonna simply crush it and remove the dry bit on the outside. To be honest, if you want to make a big portion, like you want to just drink it for the day, you know what I mean, like a glass full, you just keep adding more lemon and more lime and more ginger towards it, guys. Honestly, and you will see the total different. All right. But what I want to simply say to you that this drink is not a drink to play around with. It's a very important drink for your body, and you know what I mean, take it very seriously. It is coming to a winter now. It's going to be getting really cold. So what you want to do, you want to make sure you drink this in the morning or just before you go to your bed at night, and you will see the difference. But basically, if you want to, I want to say to you, if you like the recipe, please leave your comments in the description box. Please tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. I have a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas will be coming from Chef Ricardo and the team. This drink is a very good drink for, as I said, detoxing and cleansing of the body. You don't need any water, or you don't need any honey, no sugar, no sweetener, and you don't need any organic honey. You just want to keep it organic, natural way like this. All right. Not only that, with the ginger and the lemon and also the garlic, these ingredients been used over the last 200,000 years. You know what I mean? You can also do your own research by simple search for ginger, lemon, and garlic on your smartphone, and you will see, you will get some result. All right, guys. But as I said, if you go on my Instagram page, you will see the full recipe of this one, and it is very easy to make. It's very simple. All you need is the blender, and all of these ingredients is just local. You don't need to fly to another country or to the Caribbean for these ingredients. You can get them just around the corner from where you live. All right. Say wherever you live, just check around the corner, and you know what I mean, find from the local shop or your local supermarket and get these ingredients. So we're going to be digging into some serious business now, guys, and you know what I mean, show you exactly what you can do at home with this beautiful drink. All right. So first thing, what you should do is make sure everything is inside of the blender, and make sure, I'm gonna show you how to cover the blender. All right, so this is the blender, put the lid on it, and you cover it just like this. All right, now I'm going to make a little bit of a noise, so you know what I mean, the blender gonna make a little bit of noise, so that's what I'm going to be doing by simple put on it on the blender. I don't know what kind of a blender you guys are been using, but to be honest, this blender, very good blender, and you know what I mean, as I said, you can get this in the local shop or your supermarket at home. All right, now so we're just going to be blending this for about 2 to 3 seconds. It won't be long. Nice one. All right, here it is inside of the blender. Just gonna simply pour it out to make you guys can see exactly how it look inside of the glass. All right, now let's take a good look at the glass. That's the glass right there, guys, and I'm telling you this is a very, very important drink for you and the team. All right, now what we're gonna do is pour out that beautiful drink. Here it is. Alright, the might have said Chef Ricardo, there's not a lot in it. Yeah. No. To be honest, you could do well with another lemon inside of it. You know what I mean? Because right now there's not a lot inside of it. Alright? But you could do well with another lemon. But to be honest, you don't need to. You know what I mean? Because it's not a lot of you're not gonna get a whole heap of ginger and lemon from the amount which I just use. So what we're gonna do now is drink it. You know, as a Chef Ricardo, there's nothing in this. Yeah, I know that. There's not much in it. But what we're gonna do now is simple. Drink it, and hopefully you guys will like it. Alright? Stay tuned in, don't go anywhere. Watch the video, and also please tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. Now this drink is a very, very important drink from Chef Ricardo and the team. So what I want to simply say to you, please stay tuned, don't go anywhere, and watch more video. Alright guys, stay tuned. Very, very easy. As you can see, that's the way it look right there. All right, please tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend, and I will see you in the kitchen with more recipe. Bye bye.